that there is no Litvak Culture Center in the world. There is a very big Litvak culture, and there is no Litvak Culture Center today in Europe, in any place. So we decided, actually the director of the Jewish Museum, that was, I think, his idea. I don't know. I joined that group after the idea was already there. So we have the museum has one building in the center of the city, the old building that was old Jewish school inside, gymnasium, and it's a 4.5 store building that it's empty now. Like few people are working. I'm sitting there and few more people, and it's an empty building. So we decided that this building is very good for making inside some cultural place, for like called Litvak Culture and Art Center, and we need to restore it and to make all the building part of it, and after to fill it with the exhibitions and with the cinema hall and also library and also different things, and all those famous Litvak painters, like Samuel Bach and Reich Wallace, and there are others too. They are ready to give their heritage, like present to Lithuania, to the place they came from, but with condition that we will not put everything in some closed room, but we should have a place to make Samuel Bach Museum or Wallace Museum or other artists that are, we still have some exhibitions of those famous and other artists that are giving present to the country they came from. And therefore that culture center has already the exhibition halls that need to be built. So I think it's a really good idea and really interesting, and a new museum for Vilnius, and I'm happy that I'm involved in all that activity.